Oh, we're back. Let's go. Yeah, I have no idea why my computer decided to poop on me like that, but yeah, we're back. Jeez, I had to restart. I had to relog in. I'm here, damn it. Hope everything. Yeah, it's fine. The stream just crapped out on me, so I was like, oh, cool. We're just not doing this. Okay, not about that life. Cool, cool. Love it. Oh, my bit rate is terrible right now. Maybe that's the problem. We are not doing good bit rate wise. Uh-oh. All right. Yo, Ayad, how you doing? What's up? I'm still bearish. Still bearish. Market started heating up real good for a minute there. I'm still bearish. I'm bearish until we start making some higher highs. Not cookie. Okay, sure. All right, we're gonna get back to thing that I missed. So can we look at Moochie, new, Degen, Bonk? Yeah, sure. Fun fact: I'm Savage's father. Oh, are you really? Wow, didn't know that. Now I'm starting to feel real dumb for getting out of my trade. My stop loss was up here. I was safe. Son of a bit. See, this is the annoyance. We see these pops up and it's like, ooh, let me get out of my trade. Great shorting opportunity right there. Son of a butt munch. Good God. This one could have stopped me. Yeah, he told me about you. Oh, nice. You guys watch me from Saudi? Wow. That's a far way away. I never would have thought. Alright, let's get into Cal. That was a request. I'm going to look at it, darn it. I'm going to look at it. So looking at Cal here, seeing the same thing I'm seeing all over the market. These bearish patterns, they're all over the place. That's your uptrend you broke out of. You broke down. It's not fantastic to do that. Maybe you can readjust it to this. Maybe you're holding it strong. I don't know where I should anchor this though. Do something like that. Something like that. So we have a bullish and bearish case here. Something like that. 18% downside could happen. Putting up a higher low. I think that's why I'm so bearish. I haven't seen the higher low yet. Haven't seen it. But if we do pop to the upside, well, maybe we do something like this. Just maybe you get a nice 18% spike to the upside, getting you back up to 3959. Cal looks interesting. Looks interesting. You do have bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Could go up. Is C98 a good buy? I don't know, man. Honestly, DZ, I'm so bearish right now. I can't give great ideas of buying. It's probably in a great buying zone. I really, like, a lot of things are in a fantastic buying zone, but to buy it, I don't know. I don't know, man. Checking out Sui here. So yeah, Sui, nice little uptrend here. You broke down from it, but if you utilize this as your uptrend, you're breaking back above it? I don't know what we're doing here. Don't know what we're doing here. But Sui, it does have the opportunity of moving to the upside. You basically got your 1272 before you pulled back, and then you just went sideways. Now you're trying to break out of your longer term downtrend here. I wouldn't be bullish on this until you get a nice break above 234 and a back test as support. Until that happens, I'm going to stay bearish on this one. I don't like that. I really don't like that. Let's check it out on the daily real quick. Daily just got a death cross. I would be extremely cautious on this one. I'd be looking for more downside though. I would greatly be looking for more downside because this is your uptrend I was staring at before. And your daily beautiful rising wedge pattern. Whoa. Where's my... There it is. Alright, beautiful rising wedge pattern. It would make sense that we get held down and we start seeing more downside. You could see this thing fall as low as like 131. But more likely case is something like this. Seeing about a 27% drop. That's what I could see out of this. I understand like Bitcoin, I guess, is showing bullish signs because it is back above the 200 simple moving average. But Bitcoin needs to break its downtrend before I get bullish. It really does. I'm going to stay bearish until it breaks out of it. That's the thing holding me back. Yo, what's up, Jim? How you doing? I figured out how to go live again. I figured out they couldn't hold me back. We'll check out C98 for you also. But, yeah, next up we're going to look at USDT.D. The dominance. So you're broken out of the downtrend, which is nice. Glad to see you're back. Bro, I don't even know why the stream ended. It just randomly ended, and I was like, what the heck is this? But, yeah, I'm back. Back again. Missed you? Right. I'm sure you guys are like, about time this bearish little jerk got off. Jeez. It's so bearish today. Which it's true. I'm just a big old dirty bear. Shapeshift Fox? Okay, sure. Nice rising channel. How you doing, Eric? Thank you so much for the $1.99 super chat. I appreciate you. An interesting Marco chart. It's been looking at the SPX USM2. Oh, the money supply? Yeah, so the money supply has been going up, right? Alright, so on the daily, USDT dominance has bearish divergence. I honestly think you are too bearish. A lot of people think that all the time. I don't think I'm too bearish. I really don't. Especially as I identify bearish trading patterns. I gotta stay bearish in a pattern. The pattern's formed for a reason. So near, I got out of my short, and now it's just looking like I shouldn't have. Like, friends, are you going to tell me this is not a bearish pattern? That's really what I want you to tell me. This right here, after coming down, that's not a bearish pattern. I don't know why people are so crazy bullish while they see patterns like this. I don't get it. Like looking at Bitcoin. That doesn't look like a bear flag to you? That doesn't look like a bear flag to you. Are we solely focused on the daily? We're above our 200 daily? Is that all we're focused on? Because that 50 is coming down hard. That downtrend, you're about to interact with it. This 87,263 has only been resistance. Interesting because it shows you the relative strength of the .com bubble. Oh, does it really? Wow. What's wrong with my chart? What is going on here? There we go. Even more interesting because Silicon Valley guys keep saying the market looks like 96. Oh, really? That's crazy. But yeah, so it's like you're looking at this and you're telling me there's no reason to be bearish. I just don't understand why not. I see a very distinct level that was acting as support back here is now acting as resistance. Even if we go a little bit higher, we still have another level of resistance sitting right up here that acted as resistance as well. Was support, acted as resistance. We're distinctively in a downtrend, and we're about to interact with our downtrend. I know a lot of people are going to be like, yeah, we retook the 200 daily. Woo! But are we going to break the downtrend? I don't see it. ES futures look like they're gapping up, so I suspect we'll go down on open. I mean, maybe. I don't know. I want to hear the argument for somebody who's saying I'm being too bearish. Like, what's the bullish sentiment? Like, somebody on Discord messaged me about the 3-day. So the 3-day RSI looking bullish, leading price upwards. That's what somebody messaged me on Discord when my stream kind of fudged up. Let's check the 3-day, I guess. I don't even have that as an option. Add days 3. Add a 3-day. There we go. We got a 3-day here. Okay, we're breaking a trend line. I don't see why it looks bullish. We're not even breaking the downtrend. We did break the downtrend and we back tested it. So this is why they're bullish? The strength looks better? Could be uptrending now? Sometimes the market does weird things when we've been severely oversold. I mean, you're not wrong. That's true. I don't know. I just think some people are going to put on some rose-colored glasses and be like, "We've been oversold for so long. We're only bullish now." And I don't see why I even think that way. I'm just waiting for the pullback at this point because we've never put in a higher low. All we did was go up. We didn't confirm the bottom. We didn't confirm a low. We didn't even touch a support. The patterns do not inspire confidence, though. They really don't. They really don't. They inspire a lot of, how soon till I can short again? That's all it's basically saying. How soon till I can put in more shorts, baby? Because we have 2 levels of resistance overhead and a downtrend. Let's go. It's like, yeah, bear flag. Woo! Bear flag this S. Even the bear flag saying 15% downside. Oh, it's a joke. I mean, can't deny it's going up right now. But I needed to start breaking some resistance. Break some resistance, look better, feel better. All I see is we're in this bearish control zone. Maybe we pop up into the bullish control zone on the daily. Just maybe. But I've seen plenty of charts before. You have the 50 and the 100 curving down on you. It's a matter of time before you start heading back down. Oh, yeah. Let's hope the whales start buying. Let's hope that. Probably a false move into April 2nd. A flash crash would be sense in a bull market. Would make sense. Yeah, it would make sense. guess there's one thing we can hang our hat on. One thing that is very, very positive. And that's this uptrend right... Oh, not that one. This uptrend right here. What? How did I have it drawn the other day? Am I in log? I better not be in log. I better not be in log. Oh my goodness. No, I'm in regular. How did I draw it the other day? I know I had this uptrend. Oh, was it like this? Maybe it was like that. So if I connect it like that, it looks like we're just respecting the uptrend. So this could be a lot better of a look. Yo, what's up, Woozy? How you doing? Crash early April. You did the fan method? I did do the fan method. I did. But try not to sell my crypto, but there's press jaws for my tool I want to buy that's $2,000. Wait, what? I have no idea what you just said in that sentence. What? I'm so confused. The market manipulators, April Fools, the suckers, yeah. So yeah, I can see this as an uptrend right here that we're respecting as an uptrend again. So maybe this is your bullish sentiment that people are using. I can't help but see this bearish pattern. I just can't help it. Alright, my bit rate evened out. Nice. Highly doubt April Fools would be the cause. Well, probably April 2nd when those tariffs start going into effect. That might be a nice little indicator there. Oh, the tool that you want is $2,000. Got it. Sorry, Woozy, the way you said that, there's a press jaws for my tool. That sounded very odd. That sounded really odd, Woozy. Just saying. Yeah, so Bitcoin, being this high on your relative strength, also on your 4 hour, it doesn't leave me thinking, oh yeah, we're definitely blasting to the upside. If we had a lower relative strength, that would give me a lot more comfort. It sounded better in your head. Well, yeah, I bet it did. Aptos hidden gem. That's why YouTube cut the live stream off on you. I guess. Let's go back to Aptos real quick. So Aptos did get a move to the upside. Wait, am I on the four? We just got a new 4-hour candle. All this movement makes way more sense. Solana is the gem in Aptos Eco. Okay, cool. You're not allowed to talk about Aptos right now. Apparently not, but you got that break to the upside. You held it as support. So, if anybody wonders why I can get so confused on this market, let's just focus on this 4-hour candle right here. You had a doji candle on a 4-hour. That is shocking. If we look at this on a lower time frame, anybody who was trying to get into longs on this, they all got confused. Because what you were probably doing trying to get in a long on this, you're like, hey, We have a nice uptrend. We're going to respect it. We're going to do great. Let's put a stop loss right below this low because we didn't touch it. And then you got wicked out of your trade. So it's like, oh, okay, I can't go long. I should go short. And now you're breaking resistance. You're like, wait a minute. What's going on here? So then all of a sudden, I'm not trading. Yeah, I'm currently not in any trades as I watch the market start going up. I'm going to see what they do in the morning. This is an awful lot of pumping the night before a brand new week. Awful lot of pumping. But yeah, this wick below your previous low, that's diabolical. Anyone who wanted to go higher leverage got screwed right now. Got stopped out and it's starting to go up. Oh man. I had an alert set up down here. 588. It almost got to it. Oh, it's priceless. Anyways, let's get rid of that. You could be running up to 592, or you could go all the way up to 618. That's what I'm seeing out of Aptos. Aptos has a possibility of going up. The beginning of a disbelief rally in the making. I don't know about disbelief. I think it's just screwing over traders as much as possible. Like right now, they're headhunting all the shorts. Once the shorts are gone, they're going to go after the longs. That's all it's been doing lately, is chopping up the market. Next up, let's check out DGen. DGen. I don't think this is the one we look at normally, is it? There it is. So DGen's still moving up. SPY is bouncing off the 200 MA. Last time I seen it could be the reason why the market's is ready to rally. Well, that would be nice. ES futures reclaim the 200 on open, currently using it as support. That's nice. That's nice. I hope the bullishness does continue tomorrow, but I want easier trades. I want to be able to read this market easier. Apparently DGen's the easiest one to read, because if you had a stop loss below this low, you've been chugging along the past few days. If the market stays bullish, you might see this thing rally, getting that whole 391%. Still looking for it. DZ is going to pay some child support. You just wait to a chart near you. Alright, Bonk. Bonk, kind of the same thing. It's been chugging along. We were looking for this 44% upside move. Almost there. All there. But you are about to interact with that longer